it slides from one side to the other. Whee! It's just like a seesaw or a slide. Hi guys, look at these cool stuff I have on my table. Let me the lights off to show you all of the glowingness. But first I have to break them so it can have lights, and it already looks a little bright. So let's put the lights off now and see what we can do if we put it into this silver modeling balloon. But these glow sticks are not just normal. Those are mini ones. And the videos I've done before of those glow sticks were actually the big glow sticks. These are the regular. So let's blow the balloon up. Okay, now it's done. Guys, I don't know which one to put inside. So I'm just gonna do all of them. It's super fun if we do all. But guys, I'm putting the green in. Guys, there's only 2 more left. Guys, this looks cool. As you see, I'm done doing all of them. And it slides from one side to the other. Whee! It's just like a seesaw or a slide. Woo, 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 woo. Into this short glowing stick. And it's just like a sausage, a glowing sausage. Look what we can do here. Does that sound cool? This is what it looks like. Guys, I made this necklace before the video. Guys, if you like this video, please like and subscribe video on my YouTube channel to get more views. Bye guys.